Many small, medium, and large fleets share vehicles daily with different drivers. Here are some simple procedures that should be completed at the end of each shift, and yes, again, before the next shift to protect your drivers. Taking this approach and duplicating the effort will help protect you, your drivers, loaders, and service people. Frankly, any individual that is touching the vehicle should follow these procedures. Remember, while your drivers are out on their routes, they're exposed to germs and viruses that can follow them back into their vehicle. In addition to wearing disposable gloves, use effective cleaners that will not damage the surface you're cleaning, such as door handles and other touch points on the truck that we will show you today. Let us get started on our Isuzu Ultimate Craft Beer truck. Let's start on the passenger side of the vehicle. Main mirror and convex, outside door handle, inside door handles, window controls, lock controls, seat belt, seat adjustments, glove box. Now let's work our way to the back of the truck. Rear door lock, door handle and grab handles, rear Maxon gate controls. Let's move to the driver's side. If your vehicle is equipped with a side door, be sure to clean the door handle and the locks. Fuel cap, def cap, cap tilt levers, main and convex mirrors, and driver's door handle. Now we can start in the inside of the vehicle. Inside door handles, window controls, lock controls, steering wheel, dash switches, turn signal, light control, MID control, trip control, mirror controls, seat adjustment, seat belts and all connections, center seat and workstation, emergency brake, transmission control, cup holders, center and dash, climate controls, radial controls, and reefer controls. Be sure to use wipes or cleaners and latex gloves. I would like to show you a proper way of removing your latex gloves. Thank you for taking the time to watch the steps of keeping your Isuzu truck clean for your drivers and your team members. Please stay safe.